What is up guys, Tanner this side. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Classroom. So first, to open Google Classrooms you just simply need to type in classroom.google.com in the URL section, and then you will be redirected to the homepage of Google Classroom. From here, if you are a student or if you have logged in as a student, here you will see all the classes that you have on your timetable, and after that, on the left side, you have the calendar option. In the calendar, you can basically see all the calendar, like the upcoming schedules, the upcoming holidays. You can see everything of that type in calendar. And when you click on teaching, here you have two sections. First one is to review, and then second one is to manage your class. So in the to review section, let's say if your teacher has given some test to complete, and when you just complete that particular test, the particular test goes in the to review section, then the teacher reviews all your test. And after that, here, as you can see, this is the third section here. This is my class code, and I have logged in as a teacher, so I can just access everything like the stream, the classwork, the people, the grades. I can just basically access everything. Like I can create a new classwork if I want to, and then I can add or remove people from here, and then I can also see the grades of everyone whom I have invited. And when I click on archive classes, here are all the classes that I have archived. And then when I click on settings here, this opens the settings. And from here, I can change my profile or profile picture. And here, these are the notification section. Like I can turn on and off the email, the comments, and the private notification section. And after that, I can also customize the class notification section by just turning them on and off. And then to create or join a class, I'll be redirected back, or I'll come back to the home page. After coming back, on the right side at the top, you can see this plus icon. So to create a class, you need to click on create class, or to join a class, you need to click on join class. Let's say I'm creating a class. I'll click on create class, and then I'll check this checkbox, and then I'll click on continue. After that, I just need to name my class, and after that, I need to name the section. After naming the section, I need to describe the subject. After describing the subject, I need to describe the room, and then I'll click on create. For clicking on create, here the class has been created. This is the class code, and I can just simply copy and paste this class code in my students group members, so the students can directly enter the class code and then join my class. So this is how I can create a new class in Google Classrooms. Now to join a class, I'll click on join class, and then I just simply need to enter the class code, and then I will be able to join the particular class. So that was the basic tutorial on how to use Google Classrooms. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.